Good afternoon. My name is Tanu Vermani. I'll be your examiner today for the IELTS speaking test. Can you please tell me your full name?
Okay, my name is Gracie, and my family name is Gracie Rai. You call me as a Gracie.
Can I see your identification?
I have nothing now, but yes, I have passport which I use for the registration.
No problem. Let's talk about reading. Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I'm fond of reading, and it is not the habit in the yesteryears, but when I become more mature and I know the benefits of reading, then I take interest in reading, and it is like a stress-based activity for me when I feel I have nothing to do or when I have a lazy time, I think.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I read the books which gave me some knowledge. For example, I started reading a book, Atomic Habit, which tell me about how to build good habits and break the bad habits. Apart from this genre, I also read some novels which provide me information regarding imagination, like how to imagine things.
How often do you read?
At least once a day I have to read books. It is my routine, and apart from that, if I have more time, then I love to read more. But as I have many other things to do in my life, so I don't cope like you. I don't have more time to read.
Did you enjoy reading when you were a child?
As I mentioned before, when I was a child, I don't read a lot as I had to read only about my subjects in school days. Apart from that, in my house or as a hobby, I never read read any book.
Let's talk about food. What kind of food do you like?
I love everything, but I am a vegetarian, so I love the things which is like there is not meat present. But especially, I love Indian food, and I belong to a Indian family, and there is a Punjabi dish which called sarson da saag with makki roti, and it is fabulous and mouth-watering dish. Apart from that, I also eat sandwiches and. I think pizza is also one of the favorite dish I ate.
Do you prefer eating at home or in restaurants?
It's for me it's so simple. I love to eat food at my home. I feel very comfort in my zone, and also when I eat outside, I feel that I don't know how to eat the food. I feel comfortable between the people. Sometimes they are looking at you, so I don't know.
Have your eating habits changed over time?
To be honest, I don't remember my habits of eating. But as far as I know that I have same habits about the eating when I was child also. But now I eat now I prefer my diet more healthy as we know that in this era like diseases are spreading, so I take care of my health after COVID especially.
Do you enjoy cooking?
No, I have very bad culinary skills, but but still I make some dishes to survive as I'm planning to go abroad. So it is really essential skill for me to go there and make my food, but because it is not good to always eat food from outside or outside restaurants.
Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then I'll ask you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You can also make notes if you wish.
If you want to book your वन ऑन वन स्पीकिंग टेस्ट विद मी सो बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करो या फिर आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर भी बुक कर सकते हो अपने टेस्ट को। शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू विद द टीचर, अपने स्लॉट को बुक करो एंड गिव योर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट। अगर आपको अपनी राइटिंग इवैल्यूएट करानी है तो अपने राइटिंग टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 को शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर अपलोड करो और रियल एग्जाम टीचर आपको देंगे डिटेल करेक्शंस प्लस अ फीडबैक।
Please start speaking now.
Okay. In this world, as we know that everyone is occupied with something like about their work or with their personal life, and it is really important to remove everything from your mind as to peace and for calm and for relaxation. And here I'm going to talk about a place which I visited very often, in fact, and it is just stone throw away from my house, and it is a beautiful park with serene environment, and there is many plants, and which is used for which is there is many benefit of that plants, like it purify the airs, and some plants are for medical use, and other like some also there is fruits also, I think. And talking about the layout, this park have everything, like there is modern technological gadgets, which like for example when there is a youngster come and for exercise they use treadmills and many more equipment in order to make their body healthy, like a gym equipments. Apart from that, why I visit this place, it is like mesmerizing place. I feel that I'm introspecting, and I also love to read books there, as it provides calm environment. And sometimes I go with my friend for just casual talk or something like that. And other time I also visited with my family member for a evening walk, which is quite essential for us in these days to in order to be in a healthy body. And I yesterday went to this park with my siblings, and we enjoyed a lot there. And it is the I ever known. Yeah.
Why is free time important for people?
As I mentioned, like everyone is packed with their work to relax and to remind themselves like there is other things in your life. For example, people are only thinking about the material, how to buy that, like materialistic thinking, and how to earn the money, but they always forget about their inner peace, what they need actually as a human. So this is the things I think.
Do people today have less free time than in the past?
Definitely. As in previous time, there is only two to three basic need of a human. But now, as we are come in the modern era, and we want luxury life, like car, house, big house, everything, and like equipment, technology. So we forget about the things what we actually have to do. For example, nowadays some people only take care of the animals or species, but other are just self-centered and focusing on their needs.
How do people usually spend their free time today?
To Today, people usually spend their free time in various ways. One of the most famous is like they are doing hobbies. They are pursuing their hobbies, and other is just spend their quality time with their family members. And in the hobbies, they like, for example, just go to place where it provide a serene environment, and in the mountains, in close to the rivers and this kind. And in also some people go for adventures and like mountain climbing, biking and racing, this kind of things. And other are also focusing on their hobbies like drawing, music and dance. This also provide them a sense of satisfaction.
Why are park important in cities?
It is really really significant, of significant enough of a park in a city, because in city there is not many places where youngsters or older people go and do exercise or any other activities. So in these places they in fact do something in their life. And other is that park provide a eco-friendly environment, and there's many trees like flowers, and they feel close to the nature. And some people love the nature, but they didn't like they don't have any a park in their house. So it is better to have park which is public, especially to have their spare time there.
Do you think government should build more parks?
I definitely think it is better for especially the young generation, as we all know that they are just sitting in the front of screens and don't spend their time in the outside. So if government or authorities provide them like games or any extra curricular activities, then youngster become more attractive towards this kind of things. And other is that for older people who are struggling with many health issues like heart attack and cardio, so it is better for them to go and do some classes like yoga, laughing classes, many things like this.
How can parks improve people's quality of life?
In many ways, it like paths improve the quality of a person. For example, I never did. I am not doing. I didn't do exercise during my childhood, as there is not much paths. But after having a path which is close to my house, on regular basis I go there and do my exercise and yoga classes and many other things I do. Apart from that, in these places, people meet with their peers, and also they socialize. So they know about the humanity, and talk with each other, with their friends or neighbors. And yeah.
Okay, so that is the end of your speaking test, Gracie. Thank you so much. Let me just give you a quick feedback. The entire feedback will be shared on your portal. So, your estimated band will be band 6. What I observe in your speaking test is let's talk about the first band descriptor, fluency and coherence. You are able to speak at length, but there is a frequent hesitation, repetition and self correction. आप बार बार रिपीट करते हो सेल्फ आई गो आई मीन आई वेंट है ना, तो वो सेल्फ करेक्शन हो जाता है आई डिडंट आई डिड। सो आपकी स्पीच बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट है और रश्ड है, सो जिसकी वजह से क्लैरिटी रिड्यूस हो जाती है और आप सेल्फ करेक्शन बहुत करते हो। हेजिटेशन ये वाले साउंड्स बहुत ज़्यादा है, राइट। ओवर करेक्शन नहीं होनी चाहिए, इट शुड बी अ स्मूथ फ्लो व्हेन यू स्पीक। सेकेंड, लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज की अगर बात करें, यू यूज्ड अ गुड रेंज ऑफ वोकैबुलरी, you showed a good flexibility, expressing the ideas was also very clear, कभी कभी देर आर लिटिल इनकरेक्ट वर्ड चॉइस बिकॉज ऑफ स्पीड. जब आप जल्दी जल्दी बोलने की कोशिश करते हो तो देर आर सम एरर्स. ठीक है. vocabulary is a strong point. You're close to band 7 I would say, but avoid the rushing part. रश करोगे तो मिस्टेक्स ज्यादा होंगी. Grammatical range and accuracy, you are using the simple sentences. Try to have a mix of simple and complex structures. ठीक है. फास्ट स्पीच नहीं करना, नहीं तो आपके सारे सेंटेंसेस इनकरेक्ट हो जाएंगे. Pronunciation was also clear, but there was some problem with clarity and pacing. The speed part, words almost understandable है, but sound कभी कभी unclear हो जाता है जब आप बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बोलते हो. तो try to improve that pace. Speak at a controlled speed. ठीक है. सो ट्राई टू स्टॉप दीज फिलर्स. अपनी जब स्पीच को स्लो डाउन करोगे, सेल्फ करेक्शन को कम करोगे, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप स्मूथली बोलना स्टार्ट करोगे. ठीक है. ओके.
Okay.
तो विश यू वेरी ऑल द बेस्ट. कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.